Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Candace and I am so glad that you joined me today to do some cooking together. Today we are going to make a fun and tasty snack that you can enjoy at home. This is a simple snack that you can be creative with and do your own designing. Today we are going to make apple pizzas. The first thing you will want to do is wash your hands. When you wash your hands, make sure that you use plenty of soap and water. I've already washed my hands so that I'm ready to begin. You also want to make sure that the table you are working on is clean. Next, you'll want to get the ingredients that you'll be needing to use. You will need 1 apple, some cream cheese or peanut butter. Those will form the base of your pizza, and then you want some toppings. You can use raisins, chocolate chips, coconut, some cereal if you want, Nutella, or fruit like banana or strawberries. The choice is up to you. Now, the first step that you have to do is cut your apple. For this, you'll want to have an adult help you since the knife is sharp. And you want to cut the apple from side to side. When you cut right through the middle, you'll be able to see the star inside. And then you want to cut some slices that will be your pizza. I have some that are cut already, and you can still see the star inside. The next thing you want to do is cut out any core or seeds. Now this is just the star, so I can leave it. This has a seed, so I'll take it out, and again, it's ready to use. This piece has a little bit of the core, so the adult can just take a knife and quickly cut that out. After you have your crusts ready, you're ready to put your sauce on. And for our pizzas, we're going to use peanut butter and cream cheese. So for one of mine, I'm going to take some peanut butter and just spread it right on the applesauce. Once you spread that all around, you'll be ready to put your toppings on. I'm going to do 2 with peanut butter because I want to share some. You might want to make some to share with your family as well. All right, so I've made 2 with peanut butter, and now I'm going to make 1 with the cream cheese. For this, I'm just going to take the cream cheese and just spread it on, just the same way as I did the peanut butter. All right, now that we have our toppings ready to go, we can put those on our pizzas. The first one I'm going to make, I'm going to do with banana and chocolate chips. So I'm going to take a banana and just cut a few slices of it. It doesn't take very much. And I arrange them right on the pizza. Isn't that cute? What goes really good with banana and peanut butter are chocolate chips. So I'm going to take a few chocolate chips and just put them right inside my peanut butter. Wow, that looks great, delicious to eat. For my second peanut butter, I want to do something that I like, coconut and raisins. It makes it feel tropical, like I'm sitting on a beach somewhere. So I'm going to start by just sprinkling on some coconut, and then I'll take some raisins and I'll put those on just all around in the coconut. And if you like a lot of coconut after you put your raisins on, you can take a little bit more and add another layer and shake off the extra, and you have a delicious tropical treat. For the cream cheese, I'm going to put strawberries, and that will make a beautiful snack, just like you're in a fancy restaurant, makes a nice fruity snack. And what goes really good with strawberries is Nutella. So I'm going to take some Nutella and just drizzle it right across on my strawberries so I have a little bit of chocolate on there. Oh, doesn't that look nice? Just like a delicious dessert. Here we have 3 delicious apple pizzas that are tasty to eat and fun to make. I hope that you enjoyed learning to make a new snack today, and I hope you'll try and make these yourself. Until next time, enjoy snacking. Bye. See you soon.